obviously the numbers get even bigger. That is the power of it. And then look what else I did for you guys. I took some of the numbers and we did it on ETH and BTC, which we're going to look at that also next. This is also insane. Even if you do a conservative, this is why you want to do, remember I showed you that conservative pool that we had with Sol and ETH at 30 something percent, 34%. Imagine if it goes up to even 50% on the conservative pool. This is why the conservative pools, and I did it, and we did this one on $10,000 on BTC ETH. For example, if BTC doubles and ETH doubles in a year from now, you'll have $20,000. But if you were yield farming it, you'll have $33,000. And in 2 years, you'll have $54,000. So $54,000 versus $20,000 is a significant difference. And if you have more money, like $100,000, well, $100,000, for example, would become $330,000, and then $540,000 will become $500,000 versus only a double would give you $200,000, for example. This is why some of these conservative pairs are actually gold. This is some golden data, guys. This is incredible data that we've been able to get for you. So let's continue. Let's look at some other pairs that are doing well. I'm going to go up here. This is going to be wrapped ETH BTC. So what I think is going to happen to wrapped ETH BTC is I think these APRs, as the market comes out of, this is the second quarter, we're moving to the third quarter. Second quarter, June is always a little rough. It's going to get better. So look at the data right now. You can go aggressive, which covers, you got 19% impermanent loss and a 2x cover. But if you go moderate, and the settings are, by the way, they're already in here. You can just click, the settings are already in here. All you do is click on it and you go down there and you click on the settings, the ones that say Agent Max Picks, these settings are already in there. That is the power of it. Eventually we're gonna have it for you guys where you just like one click and you're in. Okay, we're almost there. We're probably a few weeks away from that. So do not fret. This technology, this is all new. It's being built out quickly. So there you go. You have a 3.67 cover with a 7% impermanent loss on a 2% wide. But this is, again, if you go 20% wide, no impermanent loss, 16%. Okay, that's not bad, but we know the 16% is going to increase as we go towards the bull run. This could become a money maker, absolutely money maker. By the way, you saw the numbers I was using over here. It's 50%, 50%. Right now, it's already higher than 50%, for example. It's already, the second one, which is considered moderate, is already at 71%. This is going to go higher. As you enter a bull run, it'll go 100, 120%. So we are being very conservative in our numbers. If we actually started using real numbers and weren't as conservative as we are, we would blow past these numbers. In fact, it would probably look a lot more like this, which is absolutely insane. If you do just a 2x on BTC and ETH, you could have $114,000 versus $20,000 is all the value would be if you just held the assets. That's why you liquidity farm. And you have to liquidity farm the right assets and you have to compound the right assets. You can't just go out there gambling on degen pairs. You have to do it the right way. All right, so if we're doing Uniswap, where are we going to be? This is wrapped ETH Bitcoin. First of all, a lot of people want to go close in range. Don't do it. It's not worth it. 94% to be 0.2 range or a 2% range, which is 10 times wider, would get you 68%. To me, that's much better. And you got a cover of a 3.71, meaning for every dollar that you lose in impermanent loss, you gain $3.70 of earnings of Arrow token. Oh no, this is a Uniswap. So this would be of ETH and BTC. This is very powerful. And you only got a 7.3% impermanent loss. This is absolutely beautiful.